Morning. Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. How's everyone doing? Morning. Okay, let's go. We have CPI today. It's gonna be probably a weird or crazy day for the market. Um, let's go over SPY and QQQ. Well, levels I'm watching today. Let's go first with SPY. Okay. Okay, so SPY right now is gapping up and it's near the 444 resistance. So basically it's gonna be if CPI data, it's gonna make SPY jump over this resistance and use it as support, just like yesterday SPY did with 439. If the CPI data makes SPY reject this, I can see a SPY going back down again to 439. So it's gonna be either above 444 or under, like basically under 444 and bearish on the day, and above it's extremely bullish, like very, very, very bullish. Also, here is an uptrend that I see on the SPY. Maybe it's making a bull flag here. Maybe, but I don't know. So I think, okay, so we have CPI in like 4 minutes. So, uh, let's see. 444 is the main watch for me on SPY. That's the level that we need to pay attention to on SPY. On QQQ, QQQ is also gapping up, but the main resistance is 372. So 372 372 is the main watch for, it's like the main resistance for a QQQ. It's not even, it's around 370 right now. So 370, the first resistance that I see is 370.30, which is around Friday's high. So the first one that we have is Friday high, and then um honestly, the main watch for QQ, it's gonna be again the 367.50, the resistance that QQ broke yesterday, because if goes back down and holds a support, that's extremely bullish for tech. And but if it breaks that resistance again, the 367.50, and use it as resistance, I'm very bearish on QQ. And also if loses that support, it kind of loses this uptrend that it has. So yeah, the main watch on QQQ is 367.50, just like yesterday. We want to see it, use it as support now. And the big resistance on QQQ is 371, 372, around there. So it's gonna be this here. So kind of on QQQ we have three levels. 367.50 should act as support, and then we have Friday high, which I see kind of resistance here also around here. That's 1, 2, and then we have the main one, which was it's a triple top here. It was a resistance here, and resistance here too. So QQQ has three levels that we need to look. Um, So for when it comes to stocks, so right now Oracle it's gapping up. It's above 115. Ooh, okay, 830. I guess CPI it's out or is about to get out. So SPY and QQQ moving a lot. I think today the easy play will be just playing SPY or QQQ. So if the market is strong, just play either be uh, which one is the strongest between SPY and QQQ, and if the market is weak, you play the weakest one. Let's see. Okay, so SPY gapping above the 444 resistance here. We want to see it like either going back down, retested as support, and then take calls there, or just basically take calls at the market open. I don't know what's the CPI, like how the CPI came up. I honestly don't pay attention to that. I just wait until I see what's the direction of the market with that data, and then I just play that. I don't really care what the data says. So, definitely Oracle. Those Oracle puts are gonna be down a lot. um, are gonna go down a lot. Um, so yeah, if they're down like 90%, I'm not gonna sell it because I don't see the point on selling something that it's down so much. Um, so I'm just gonna hold it if they are down like 90%. Okay, so the ones that I like are CRM. You guys know I from my stream yesterday and also the video recap that I did last night that I wanted to watch CRM again. Um, so right now, because basically everything's gapping up, we wanna see it holding. If you wanna enter calls on anything, you either wanna see it holding, you either wanna enter if you see it holding pre-market low, or you wanna enter if you see it breaking pre-market high, or if you're patient enough and you think the market can go down to any support, just wait a little bit until everything calms down and then enter on any dip. So here with this, like right now, I like more SPY than QQQ because just exactly like yesterday, SPY is above resistance and QQQ it's still under resistance. So for me, SPY would be a better play for calls because it already broke resistance. So now I want to see that resistance used as support or at least SPY holding above that resistance. When it comes to QQQ, it's under a strong resistance. So for me, playing calls here, it will be like playing pretty much high risk, or a higher risk than playing calls above resistance. Mm, so, okay, I liked CRM. I like Palo Alto also. Palo Alto, it's been very strong the past few days. I wanted to wait for a pullback here. I don't think right now it's gonna give me that pullback, but I wanted to wait for a pullback to 247, 248. Right now it's at 250. And it's making a bull flag on the daily. So kinda right now I don't know if I wanna enter here or just be patient and wait maybe for next week, because this uh bull flag could break out here. So it could just, it's already at 252, so it can just break out here, which I kind of find it weird, because most of the time on daily bull flag, the bull flag, you had a little bit consolidation inside. So I'm kind of hoping that Palo Alto is gonna do this that I draw here. So basically go here and get rejected here at this resistance, and then go back down, maybe retest this resistance now, use it as support, and then do something like this, and then I'll be looking to enter around here. But if it breaks out here, which I find it weird for a bull flag, I'm not gonna enter it on anything. Let's see. Ooh, I was looking at Tesla. I like what Tesla, how is, oh, Tesla is gapping up too much. But damn, from $5 up. But I was looking for Tesla to basically fill the gap, and then I wanted to like play this bounce here, because basically when you have a gap fill, then you wait for a little confirmation that this gap now is acting as support, and then you want to enter there. So I wanted to trade Tesla today, but right now it's gapping up too much. So maybe if you can use these previous resistance as support again, because I know these past few days this resistance acted as support. Maybe if you can hold it here, could be also a good play for calls. But we'll see, because I kind of find it very difficult to play calls after, or puts after a big gap. I kind of wanted to, I like kind of to wait for a pullback, but a lot of times when you have some move like this one today, that it's moving with news, um, most of the time you don't get the pullback. It just gap and go. So Tesla was one that I was really liking the daily. CRM. Um, well, we have PayPal that is also gapping up. Yeah, gapping up. It looks like it's 73 is the gap fill. Yeah, 73 is the gap fill here. So PayPal, if fills the gap, or if it goes for the gap. Oh no, the gap fill it's at 75. The gap fill is at 75. Okay, so if break this downtrend, PayPal can move a lot. So I will, if PayPal breaks this big downtrend that it had for month, yeah, I can see it easily going to 75, and then the next big resistance is 78. But obviously it's gonna need time to go to 78. But yeah, PayPal is looking great. SQ pre-market, it's at 72.47, which is pretty much the gap fill here that I was talking yesterday. So I kind of I wanted to see it going above today, because with this push I would like to see SQ like breaking this resistance. But most of the time when you have a gap fill, you have a rejection from that gap. So if the gap is above, you should expect like filling the gap and then retrace it a little bit, just consolidate near the gap and then keep going higher. But yeah, SQ is looking great. What was the other one? Let me see which ones are the strongest um right now pre-market. Oh, Meta was the other one that I wanted to see. So Meta, the level that we need to watch on Meta is 300. So, and it's already above 300. So if Meta can hold 300, yeah, 300 is the level here on Meta. If Meta can hold 300, that's very bullish. And let me check if Meta finally filled the entire gap that it had. It had a huge gap to fill. Still has room. So the gap is till 317.50. So that's it's like let's just say 317.50, but it's a little bit lower than that. So that's the gap to fill on Meta. So Meta still keep going higher till 317. But yeah, above 300, it's a green light to play calls. If can hold 300 as support. Well, even if it goes down to 298, also it's a good support, because 298, it was resistance here and here. So all these 300 to from 298 to 300, it's a good support on Meta that we want to see it holding. Any retest to this level, it's a good opportunity to get calls for a swing trade. Very good opportunity to get calls there. So Meta is one of my main watches today. I would love to see Meta going back down to 300 or 298 and give me a pullback for to enter calls. Obviously, we're gonna need QQQ to hold today, or at least to stay flat for for this Meta play. I don't know if I'm gonna add more to PayPal. I'm not gonna add more today because premiums are gonna be high on everything. So Adding today for a long-term swing trade, it's not a good move. You wanna add on a red day. You wanna add when the premium is low or it's going down to a strong support. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna add PayPal today. What's the other one? Ooh, Snow was the other one that I was looking. There's so many good plays right now. I have a bunch of alerts everywhere. Mm, so okay, I was looking this head and shoulder here, but with the trend being bullish and with a strong market, I'm not gonna play head and shoulders because um it's pretty much going against the trend. And Snow had a mm, let me clean this chart a little bit. So Snow had a downtrend that yesterday was broken, and now you have this 176 resistance here. So I will say above 176 is very, very bullish. If you can hold it as support under, I'm not really that interested on Snow unless we have a red day, so you can play puts there. But I think above 176, this resistance is very, very, very bullish. So I'm gonna put an alert below 176 so I know before it hit that level to get prepared there. It's not at 176, it's under. So if the market loses this gap up or feel the gap up goes down and feel this gap, it's not gonna go back down at least to 172 easy. But I was looking this one, but now I don't like it too much because on it's under a strong resistance. I want to play something that it has like a free way to go higher, no resistance at the top. So like Meta here, that it's above the 300 resistance, so I can play maybe a gap and a break and retest. Same with SPY. um AI was the other one that I was looking. AI kind of have also like a head and shoulder. I don't think I'm gonna play it unless I see the market today rejecting levels like QQQ or SPY going down. But yeah, I see this is a clear break and retest, and I'm sorry, head and shoulder, and the 44 level on AI is a strong resistance. So I don't think it's gonna break it today, honestly. Look, it rejected here. Here had a lot of trouble, went all the way up till 49, but yeah, 44. It's a strong resistance on AI. So if we see the market going back down, I think AI could be a good uh potential put play. Not call. I don't like AI for calls if it's under 44. Let's see. Oh, Amazon. Amazon. Okay, this one is it was very kind of strong yesterday, but Amazon is still under that 131 resistance, and as long as it's under that resistance, I don't think you have a good risk to reward here. You want to see it breaking 131 and holding that level, and it's having a lot of troubles, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days rejecting this level. So maybe today is the day that Amazon is gonna break this 131. Maybe. If can break this level, I think the best play is just leave it alone and then wait for tomorrow or maybe the Friday retracement and play a break and retest here. So I'm gonna be watching, and well, I'm not gonna be watching this one. I just put an alert near 131 and I'll be waiting for a break, and then I'll be patient to wait for a deep buy opportunity here and get calls at that support, well, the 131 support. UPS. Ooh, UPS looking very, very good. Very, very good. It didn't gap too much. Didn't gap up too much. Let's see how many. Well, from one, let's see, only like 15 cents. Mm, um, for UPS, I want to see a red day. Honestly, I want to see it going back down. I have alerts here at 184. I'm gonna be patient with this one. I want to see it go down to 184, 185 maybe, and I'll be looking to take to get a calls for a swing trade, but I don't want to play it here. It had too many like green days in a row. So I kind of want to see, I want to see like at least one or two red days to enter UPS. Mm, So UPS here, oh, dollar BG. This one is also another one that I like. It's not doing much right now. Maybe probably it's gonna, it looks like it's breaking, it's above the flag, and the flag is getting tighter and tighter. So maybe breaks out today. Maybe this is a good watch today. A good watch. So let's um we'll still have a lot of time. Let's so yes, Zillow. Let's see, Z, right? Mm, it's kind of at you have this kind of resistance here, so it's at resistance right now. So it kind of looks like it's making a cup and handle. I don't know. I wouldn't trade this one. I don't see anything that I love on this one unless it's above 55. Or you want to wait to going back down to 47 maybe, or 48, 49, or you will. I think this needs a little consolidation here, under, right under this resistance to break it. So I don't think this one is ready yet, and barely move with the market, pre-market right now. Nice, you got UPS. Oh, UPST. UPST. Damn, I remember playing this one when it was like 300. Um, it's kind of a resistance also. Um, it looks just like Zillow, honestly. Okay, it's a resistance. It could go to this resistance too, to 55. So I think let me check here. Oh, you have a lot of resistance here where it is right now, and then you have a lot of resistance here too, around 54, 53. So if can break this resistance here, the 45 level, it can go easy to at least 52, and then from 52 a little bit, 52 in a sense. It has a lot of resistance here, all this level. So from here to here, so you have a lot of resistance there too. 52, it's 50 to 50 till 54. Yeah, this is your resistance here right now, and that's the next one. I have snacks for today. 400. Wait, how it's UPSD going to 400? It's at 45. It's not going to 400. It's at 45. I think you're confused with either the ticker or your PT, your price target. Oh, 40, you mean? 42? Yeah. Okay, yeah. So yeah, it's at resistance right now. I don't think it's gonna break it today because well, depends. If the market goes crazy, it can break this resistance and then it's gonna go here. This is your next one. Kinda also looks like a cup and handle, just like Zillow. Yeah, but look this weekly. This it's right at weekly resistance. But if you can break this resistance this week, yeah, it can go easy till 52. Easy to 52. 52. if it expires in 2 days, you cannot do anything. 2 days is not enough time for a losing trade. But also it depends how far out of the money your contract is. But 2 days is not enough time at all. DNA, DNA, also it's right at resistance, like it's right here. It's a weekly resistance. If can break that resistance, it's gonna go easy to 249. Is this a penny stock, right? Yeah, it has an inverse head and shoulder. So if you want to play this, I would play it definitely with shares, not options. No, not today. I'm not gonna. I have no time for that right now. Oh, that's why I started this stream pretty early. So if you were at the beginning, you can know what's the plan on SPY, QQQ, and my main watches. Right now, I'm just doing charts on what you guys are asking. You, it's also at resistance. Um, Maybe it's gonna break this resistance today with SPY going higher. Maybe because it's been fighting this resistance for like a year. So you have a lot of resistance here. A lot. But if it can break this resistance, it's gonna go here to almost 60. So looks very good. Very good if you can if you can catch this resistance break. Yeah, exactly. I needed to wait for CPI and for CPI data. So if I post a chart before CPI, I don't think those charts were like working right now. Like TA before CPI is like useless. So what? That was a weird candle there on SPY. Um, okay, this one you is a good one. Yeah, I'm not gonna play it, but if you guys wanna play something, I think you is a very good one. Just be aware of this resistance here, but I think if can break this resistance, you can easy go with time till almost 60. So your first resistance is gonna be 50 and then a little bit lower than 60. So it's gonna be 58, around 59, 58. So it's gonna be basically this top is your next one. So your first resistance is 50 and then this top here. INNP 40. Let's see. See the weekly. It's a weekly resistance right now. Let's see, daily. Yeah, this one also looks like you pretty much. It looks exactly the same. So we had a strong resistance around here. This 41, 42 area. If can break that, or right now what it is pre-market, if can hold this pre-market, it's very, very bullish. Yeah, it looks very, very bullish. Open. It looks pretty much the same. Why all the stocks look the same? So open is a very strong resistance right now. $5. This see the weekly. Yeah, the weekly just did a 3-bar play here. And you have a very strong resistance around 5, a little bit under 5. Yeah, so you have this block is resistance. What it is right now, it also looks like a cup and handle, maybe. So yeah, and you have a lot of look all this resistance that you have here. So I don't think it's gonna break this level this week. It's gonna take a few days to break this, a few days or a lot of volume to break this resistance. I said it's bull flagging, but I don't know. It's at pretty much all-time high. It's flagging, so it has no resistance. Clear flag here. So yeah, there's not much I can say about this, but it doesn't move much. Well, on Sunday. What? Oh, this is a weekly. Okay, on the daily. So yeah, it has kind of like a flag here. But I don't play this type of stocks. I prefer to play like the bigger ones. Microsoft. Microsoft is still under this level that I talked about last week. So under this level, um, I'm not really interested in Microsoft. Let's see, Google. Google is tried. It bounced right as a board. Mm, 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 mm. Is it still on a downtrend? So if can break this downtrend, so if Google can break 119 and use it as support, or yesterday high, well, yesterday high is 118. Ooh, Google could run today with the market being bullish. Yeah, but I want to see it above yesterday high. and use it as support, because like that it has a gap to fill till 120.16 or 120. So pretty much a dollar gap to fill. I don't looks great, but I prefer Meta, CRM, and Tesla to play today. Most likely just Meta and CRM. Let's see, NVIDIA. NVIDIA. NVIDIA is right at resistance here. So yeah, it's gapping up. It's kind of looks pre-market breaking this flag, but we want to see a breaking 430, because it looks like 430, around 430, it's been a strong resistance for Nvidia here. Look, these 2 weeks are ugly rejection here. Strong rejection there. So I think if Nvidia can hold 430, uh, it, it's a good call play. For you can go easy to 440, back to 440. So Nvidia is a good one if can hold here. I want to see it holding here. Under 430 or under 429.90. So basically under 429, I don't really like this chart to play it today. If can hold this bull flag that is making pre-market, um I think Nvidia can go to 440. Morning. Nvidia is a good one, but okay, my favorites are Meta, CRM, Meta, definitely CRM, above yesterday high, holding it as support. It's extremely bullish, but 225, it's double top. So I don't know. I kind of wanted to, I want CRM to go back down. Everything is gapping up too much. Big gap up. I kind of feel weird trading calls after such a big gap. See if I can clean this. Okay, so on the 30-minute, Palo Alto yesterday closed with a bull flag, and also looks like inverse head and shoulder here. So that's pretty bullish. Pretty bullish, but it's too high right now. I hope that at market open we can get like a deep, like a pullback, like a strong pullback to support. Are we gonna get that? I don't think so. I don't think so. And so basically the ones that I like right now are Tesla, Meta, and CRM. Those are the ones that I like the most. The down, um, the down stocks are very strong also. So that will be Visa, FedEx, HD. Yeah, Eddie, that's why I'm doing this stream very early today. Because of the CPI. I wanted to like I wanted to chart with the CPI data out. So yeah, Tesla is bull flagging here. Meta is flagging here. Um, CRM, it's holding yesterday high. That's another one. Like not only it's difficult to trade after, like at least for me, after a big gap, also when you have so many charts that look good or are looking bullish, it's difficult also to like keep the keep your head like focus on just only like two or three uh charts, and that's it. It's kind of difficult to trade like that, at least for me. Morning. At least for me. And we're gonna have a bunch of alerts popping off when the market opens. Good morning, morning. If we get like if the market open and everything just go up straight, I don't think I'm gonna trade anything, honestly. I cannot trade that move. Like I don't want to trade that move and I don't want to chase anything. Like the gap is too big for me to just uh chase that big move. So if I don't see like a pullback to support on SPY or QQ on SPY and QQQ, I don't think I'm gonna trade anything. I can like the way that I trade is not like momentum. So if the market just open and everything like just rip off, I'm not gonna take anything. Okay, so yeah, Tesla looking great. That's the one I really like. Tesla, if can hold this support here. SPY, I wanna see it going down, honestly, a little bit. It would be perfect if SPY can go down here, and then we take calls and for more upside. That's a play that I really wanna do. Also, with Meta, I wanna see it going down to this level so we can get calls and look for more upside. Mm -mm -mm. Okay, so we have 3 more minutes for the market to open. SPY is holding very good. Tesla is holding very good. Meta, it's kind of going a little bit down, but not much. Let's see what the market's gonna give us today. Like always, I'm not gonna try the first few minutes of the market unless you give me like a strong pullback. If the market give me like a strong pullback here, I'm gonna take calls here, and the same with Meta. Um, Remember to like the video. like the video. Click, click, click. Okay, so the market is opening in like 1 minute. I need a little bit more coffee, and I'll be back in like 1 minute. Okay. Okay, let's see what is going on. Ooh, Palo Alto is dying. What's going on with Palo Alto? What the heck? Okay, so let's see. Okay, I kind of like, well, Tesla is a little bit weak there. I want to see a SPY going back down to 444, at least to 445. Okay. Palo Alto is dying. Okay, kind of like Tesla here. Let's see. And Meta too. I like more Meta because it's stronger. But yeah, CRM is looking good. It's gone. I want to wait a little bit. I want to wait to see if SPY can give me a pullback here. That's an ugly rejection on Meta. QQQ is looking very bullish. Tesla is not looking too good. So tech kind of going down with SPY and QQQ holding. That's weird. I think CRM is the strongest one right now. But I don't know. I don't know why I don't feel like entering anything here. I don't feel comfortable entering anything here. I kind of want to wait. That 303 rejection made it ugly. Tesla is definitely weaker than the rest, so I'm gonna put CRM here. because CRM is definitely very strong. But 224, it's your double top. So if you're on CRM, be careful here. It's, oh, 225. 225, it's a double top. Okay, so Meta's definitely weak here. For me, I don't see anything right now. The only thing that I like is CRM, but um, SPY is kind of stuck here. So I want to see if SPY or NQQQ can really like hold, like QQQ, it's right at resistance. So I want to see if QQQ can hold this resistance as support. So I want to see kind of consolidation there or a pullback. I like Nvidia that is holding 430. Yeah, I like Nvidia here. Nvidia looks very good. I think Nvidia is gonna be the one. If I play anything here, it's gonna be weekly. Oracle is extremely strong. That's bad for us. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of Oracle. My contracts are down 50%. I'm getting out here. And sadly, the small account got here hit really bad with that play. But it's at 900 thanks to SQ. Mm, yeah, Apple is strong, but 191 is resistance there. So I'm just gonna be patient and wait a little bit. So far, everything is rejecting. Meta, it's at 300. SQ, fill the gap. Meta is trying to hold 300. I kind of want to get Meta, but um I'm sorry, QQQ and SPY are looking weak, but Meta is holding 300. Let's put Meta here. I like this Nvidia hold here. It's holding pre-market high as support. Meta is going crazy now. I really like Meta, Nvidia, and CRM. It's just the SPY and QQQ are not looking too strong. That's what I don't like about this. Damn, Meta. I don't know what I said. Apple has a lot of resistance at 191. If you bought calls and you don't know the levels on Apple, I don't know how you're trading like that. How can you trade without not having your levels? Pound, Palo Alto just lost um the bull flag, so I'm not interested on that one anymore. So you have Apple, you have 191 and 192 as resistance. So, but it depends. Are you swinging? Are you day trading? Like everything depends. If you're day trading, just follow the 90 MA and the VWAP. That's gonna tell you if it is still bullish or not. Okay, I'm gonna get um either Nvidia or Meta. I think both look great. Um, I'm gonna get Meta. Let's see. Weekly. No, you know what? I'm gonna get Nvidia. Nvidia weekly 435. And I'm getting Meta too. Meta weekly 305. So I got both Meta and Nvidia. I really like this Nvidia play. I think Nvidia can go to 440 again. Ooh, if we have the Bank of Canada rate decision, that's gonna move the market. Hopefully, it's gonna move the market to more upside. I don't think everything's down. Everything's kind of up. It's just maybe the premium went down a little bit. Um, so yeah, I really like Nvidia and Meta here. We just need QQQ to go higher. Snow is dying. Um, Snow had that 176 level. Oh yeah. Ooh, look how Snow rejected that level. That was a hard rejection there. Ugly, ugly rejection. That's what I said. Under this 176 level, I'm not interested on Snow. Oh yeah, Nvidia. Love it. I should have taken next week because I kinda wanna hold mostly Meta for I think I want to hold Meta for a few days. It doesn't move much today, but it holds 300. I think I want to like hold Meta for a little bit. Anybody knows why Palo Alto died so much? Ooh, but it's at 244. So, okay, so I had this level here on Palo Alto, it was 248, but also like looking back, 244 here, support. So my let me see. I like Palo Alto for a swing here. I'm getting 255 for the 28th. My stop loss is gonna be today's low. So I got Palo Alto 255 for the end of the month. Yeah, spy calls here, it's fine. I think it's fine. As long as you know your stop loss is gonna be a little bit wider because you're entering at the top right now. SQ just filled the gap and is rejecting the gap right now. I think SQ if goes back down to 71 or 70, it's a good entry for a swing trade. So this one, I think it has a lot of upside potential for the next weeks with the inverse head and shoulder that I've been talking about on SQ. Yeah, I think SQ just fills the gap. It's retracing, so pretty much doing a gap close reversal, but I'm expecting for SQ to move higher the next few days. So yeah, SQ is looking good for a swing trade. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with Meta and Nvidia. I know I got Meta kinda at the top, but I still like it. Just seeing how it reacted here with a very strong um candle for me, that's a so when you have this type of candle here at a support, at a strong support, I think that's recipe for continuation for more upside. Okay, so QQQ just broke the resistance. And I'm very, very, very bullish on tech right now. If QQQ can keep holding this resistance as support. So it's the top of the flag. We want to see QQQ holding 372, mostly 373 as support. No, no, no. I only did this stream today because of the CPI, because I don't think posting charts before CPI it was any helpful. So I'm not gonna do a stream this early from now on. It's gonna be like always. So I'm gonna keep posting all my charts on the Discord, and I'm gonna do the stream for the market open. Yeah, CRM is looking great. I just don't love that it's gonna make a double top. Like, I don't love that it's so near resistance. Obviously, if the market keeps going higher, I think CRM is very strong and should go higher and break this resistance, the 225 resistance. It's just like I preferred Meta and Nvidia because I don't see any resistance near the level that it is right now. Yeah, tomorrow is gonna be like normal hour. So I'm gonna post all the charts around 7:30, 8 in the morning, like 1 hour before the market open, or 1 hour and a half before the market open. And then I'll be here like 10 minutes before market opens on the stream. It was only for today that I did all the charts on the stream because I wanted to chart it everything with the I wanted to see how the market was gonna move with the CPI data. Nvidia is up 43%. Meta it's up 18%. Nvidia is looking amazing. Who's on Nvidia with me? Who got Nvidia with me? Tomorrow's PPI? I find it so annoying having those data coming up like every single day. Like every 2 days, we have data coming up. Nice. So we're making money today. Yeah. Why did you got out on Nvidia? I don't see why. Nvidia, like literally we enter on this candle and it's all green. Like I don't see why getting out. Like there's no reason to get out on Nvidia so far. No reason to get out of Nvidia so far. Look, QQQ is extremely bullish, SPY is bullish, Nvidia is even more bullish than QQQ and SPY. Ooh, the Palo Alto swing, I like it a lot. I think I'm gonna get Palo Alto also on the small account, but I'm gonna get closer in the money. Gonna get, I think, the 250. Let me see. Oh no, the 250 call for the 28th. It's too expensive for the small account. I only have like two. Oh, I have 300, 350 cash to play with. I guess I'm gonna get the 250 also. The 250 calls. Well, I'm gonna wait a little bit for that one. No, I didn't forget to post the stocks today. I said that I was gonna do the stream, my watch list live here on the stream. You guys really, I think you guys really don't read. Look, I was gonna be here pre-market before the CPI data at 8:20 Eastern time to do the watch list live on YouTube. I posted here last night. Mm-mm-mm. I already got a little bit of Palo Alto on my main account. For this small account, I wanna get more confirmation because it's looking very weak right now. I wanna know why Palo Alto is going down so much. Uh, let's Google because I don't know why that thing's dying. I don't see any news there. I don't know what's going on. Well, I don't know what Palo Alto went down so much. I don't see any news, like any bad news. Ooh, ooh, it's already 10. It's already 10. I think I'm gonna leave the stream early today because I have a business meeting for lunch. So yeah. So yesterday I was here till later, till around 12:30, and today I was here earlier. So I think I'm gonna leave earlier today. I gotta get ready for that business meeting. Okay. Okay, so Spy is having a lot of trouble here. Spy, I think, honestly, I think Spy is gonna go down. I don't think it's kind of looking like a wedge here. QQQ looks way better than Spy, but Spy is looking like it wants to go down. Damn, Meta very, very, very strong. Okay, so I'm 50% up on Meta. I'm taking profits here. And a little bit of profits there. And 62% up on Nvidia. I'm taking a little bit of profits here too. 64% up now on Nvidia. So yeah, I think Nvidia's gonna go to 440. Yeah, definitely. And at 440 or near 440, I'm gonna sell most of my Nvidia position. Yeah, I think SQ is gonna go to 70. 70. Like I told you guys that yesterday, that's SQ, DVS, and re-entry, it's around 70. Um, right now what it is, if you see making like a base around here, around 71, I think it's another good possible entry there. But you want to see it like kind of like making a bull a bullish candle here. Yeah, because 71 is resistance at yesterday's daily candle. So today it should act as support. If not, it's gonna go to 70. And 70 is like literally a break and retest. Damn. damn Yeah, I'm very happy that I took Meta and Nvidia. Those things are the strongest today. So you want to see it doing something like this. That's bullish. If the 5 minute this 5 minute candle is closing like this, that's very bullish. And it's telling you that's your support there. 71 is your support. Okay, so SPY, it doesn't want to go down. It's kind of, now it looks like it's flagging. Yeah, so Nvidia is going to 440, easy. Easy 440. Okay, I'm gonna put here CRM, I'm sorry, SQ, because I think SQ looks better than CRM for a possible re-entry. You want to see it holding 71. CRM is flagging. Definitely flagging. So we had a bull flag here. Okay, so Nvidia it's about to hit 440. Um, I'm 80% up on Nvidia. 82%. CRM is breaking out of that flag. Yeah, Nvidia was great. I think we got like pretty much the perfect entry on Nvidia. Better, definitely better than Meta. Definitely better than Meta. Ooh, so let's talk about the snacks of the day. We have, I think I'm gonna try this one. The chocolate roll, because I haven't tried this flavor. So we have the chocolate roll, the cinnamon that we tried this one before. It's amazing. The blueberry and the brown sugar cinnamon. This one is unbelievable. But today I'm gonna go with the chocolate because I haven't tried this one. So no voting today. Mm, I'm gonna go and put it on the microwave a little bit for like 10 seconds and I'll be back. And let's see. Okay, I put an alert near 440 on Nvidia. I'm gonna put another one here in case it's going down, which I don't think it's gonna go down too much. Just a slow pullback. So yeah, I'll be back in like, I don't know, 1 minute. I'm back. Okay. So, so. Okay. First of all, look how this good. I looks so good. Yummy. So, calories on this one is 220 calories. This one is the highest calorie from all of the rolls that I've tried from this brand. So most of the time they're like 180 or 170 calorie. This one is 220. It has 12 grams of fat, 24 grams of carbs, and 20 grams of protein. So a little bit higher in calories, but it looks delicious. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I burned that on 30 minutes of running. I've been running the past few days and like I burn like 600 calories in 45 minutes. I kind of run a little bit fast, but yeah. If it's just like regular cardio, yeah, you need like 1 hour. Mm, yeah. Mm, yeah, this one is very good. Mm, inside. It's very, very good. But I'm gonna say, like, I'm not big on chocolate. Like, I do eat chocolate, but it's not like I prefer like vanilla flavors or lime or cinnamon flavors. So I do love it. I think it's very, very good, but I prefer the brown sugar cinnamon roll. I think it's way better than this one. This one is still good if you love chocolate. If you love chocolate, definitely get it. Yeah, it's a chocolate protein sweet roll. Yeah, but it's very good. Yeah, so SQ, it's, on the daily, it's looking bullish. Definitely looking bullish. I'm not gonna enter this one because I already have it on the small account, but yeah. What I don't really love it is this move on SPY. I know it's still on an uptrend, but it kind of looks like tired. I feel like SPY is getting tired. I kind of want to see a SPY consolidating around here, like maybe going a little bit down and just kind of trade at a support here and then keep going higher. But this way is kind of like slow grind with very small candles. I don't love it. I like more how QQQ is moving. CRN, oh, broke 225, or at least touch 225. Yeah, very good. Very, very good. Very nice. Okay, so Nvidia kind of having trouble there at um this resistance here. We want to see QQQ holding 90 MA, consolidates a little bit here so Nvidia can keep going higher, and the same with Meta. Oh, sorry, yeah. I'm back on voice. So, um, okay. So, Palo Alto, I wanna see it right now. I wanna see it holding 245. If I see it holding 245, I'm gonna enter a swing on the small account on this one. But I wanna see it holding 245. Oh, okay, so that's why Palo Alto went down so much. Okay, so yeah, I want to see it going to 245, holding there. If I see it holding for 245, I'm gonna enter a swing trade on the small account. But I'm gonna wait a little bit because if it was so weak and it went down so much, um, with the market going up, so what's gonna happen if the market goes down? The thing's gonna die. That's why I wanted to wait. Okay, so PQQ is definitely flagging here. Definitely flagging. Meta is very strong, very. So, I'm kind of thinking on getting a SKU on my account, on my main account, because I don't have any swing on SQ. But I don't know because I feel like the 70 level is the best level to enter SQ. But right now, I don't know. It's looking like it wants to hold this support, the 71 support, which was yesterday's resistance. So that's good. So what's my stop loss on PayPal? What's my stop loss on PayPal? I don't see why not holding PayPal. Like I don't see any reason to not holding PayPal. It's above yesterday high. So I don't see any reason to not hold this one when I have so much time. Yeah. And it's doing nothing today. Like it went down a little bit, but it's doing nothing. Well, basically, I said yesterday that I have no stop loss on PayPal. So, but it's gonna be under 69. So yeah, I have a lot of time. I have my calls are for the end of the month, and yeah. Ooh, I don't like these three candles. This candle here on QQQ. That's bearish. That's a bearish candle there. Mm. I want to say QQQ holding the 9 EMA. Otherwise, I'm gonna get off of Meta and Nvidia, and I'll be. I think I'm be done for the day. Yeah, we wanna see QQQ holding there. I wanna see this 5 minute candle holding the 9 EMA here. Otherwise, it's gonna go down, back down to the VWAP, and this previous resistance should act as support. Yeah, I'm selling the rest on Nvidia, and I'm still holding Meta. Nvidia probably stopped me out. I'm still on Meta. Yeah. Um, yeah, SQ definitely looking great. Nvidia looks like it's holding and it's flagging. So yeah, I think Nvidia is gonna go to 440 if QQQ can keep holding here. CRM is holding very good. Very, very, very good. But I still feel like playing, or I still feel like CRM, it's gonna, I don't know if a CRM is gonna break that double top. It looks very strong. Definitely looks very strong. But for me, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I like the race to reward here, it's too small for me. I prefer something that it has like a bigger reward. Like possible bigger reward there. Even is a weekly double top. But yeah, this weekly candle is very, very strong. So I'm gonna be patient for this one. And I think I'm gonna wait uh for a pullback here. Yeah, definitely wanna wait for a pullback. Obviously, if QQ keeps going higher, um, that pullback is not gonna come. But you guys know me that I like to take trades at strong support. Yeah, my stop loss, it's around Palo Alto, it's around 2 days high. I'm sorry, 2 days low. I kind of feel like the market is tired here. I kind of feel, yeah, especially SPY. So what's the next resistance on SPY? Ooh, it's 450. 450. That's where SPY is gonna go. 450 is the main next resistance. And it's a very good, like, psychological number, 450. It's between 450 and 451. Let's start cleaning these. Yeah, SPY is definitely higher. QQ is a little bit stronger, but I do think SPY is higher. So that's why I kind of like prefer to take profits here, or at least a big chunk of profits here. Speaking of, so Meta is up 85%. I'm taking a little bit more here. I'm leaving two runners on Meta only. So how are you guys doing today? How is your trading day today? Palo Alto is looking very, very bearish. Right. Oh, TTD? What's TTD doing? Let me see where I wanna. I'm salty that I sold like these very good of the 90 MA make me sell Nvidia. Kind of salty there, but at least I'm on I'm on Meta still. Meta is very, very, very strong. Nice. How much are you guys up on Meta and Nvidia? Any of you are still holding Nvidia? Percentage wise. Ooh, yeah. TTD just flied. I never got the pullback, and I don't think it's gonna give me the pullback. But yeah, that's fine. I honestly wasn't thinking to trade this one because I never like I don't know this stock how it move, and I kind of like to keep trading the same things over and over again. More info about my trading style on my Discord. You can watch, well, you can watch here, like rewatch all my streams. Also, um you can go to the Discord and go to my end of the day recaps videos here. I think if you watch these videos with what I post here, you can kind of understand how I trade. Also, with the streams, you have a lot of info there. Tesla, let's see. But the thing is, if Tesla is going down with the market going up, that means it's very, very weak. So I don't want to trade something that is extremely weak, because if the market pulls back, yeah, if the market gives me a dip here, Tesla is just gonna die. Like anything that is looking weak with the market going up, that's a big no-no to play. Like unless you're looking to swing trade and you like where Tesla is, but I think Tesla is right now, it's in the middle of nowhere. Like you either want a Tesla to go back down here and take calls here at the bottom, or you want to see Tesla holding these previous resistance as support. But right now what it is, it's just rejecting resistance. So not a, I don't see it like Tesla a good play to buy calls here. Yeah, look, CRM is having troubles already here with this 225 resistance. Meta, it's up 112%. That Meta play, the 305 calls that I got weekly, it's up 110% right now. So that play is doing awesome. I'm gonna sell one more. Yeah, I'm gonna sell one more and I'm just leaving one single runner on Meta. Yeah, I know. It was difficult for me to play calls today, honestly. That's why I waited a lot to enter. Um, Also, don't feel bad if you didn't chase, because that means you're very good. You're getting very good at being patient and waiting for a trade that makes you comfortable. And yeah, I think that's good. I think it's good if you didn't trade anything, because I was hesitating also to trade today. Yeah, exactly. Like the best thing is you're sticking to your plan. And I'm just gonna sell my last meta. Uh, mm, mm, mm. That was a killer trade. Killer trade. And I think Palo Alto is gonna stop me out. What is? Yeah, it's about to stop me out. Let's see. The 15 minutes very bearish, 30 minutes bearish, 1 hour is bearish, daily it's extremely bearish. So let's see. Okay, I think yeah, I'm done for the day, honestly. So I'm not gonna enter anything else today. I have okay, I have Palo Alto alerts here. If break 4:30, so Nvidia definitely went down. Mm, let me clean a little bit my charts. Okay, Nvidia probably gonna go to the VWAP. So yeah, I don't feel comfortable entering anything here. So if well, okay, so I think the market is gonna go down and feel not feel the gap, but at least for a SPY, I think it's gonna retouch this previous resistance 444. It should act as support. So if act as support, I'm not gonna trade anything else today. But if you guys want to trade anything, wait until SPY goes back down. Use 44 as support and give you like a few, at least 5 minutes or 15-minute bullish candle. And then if you want to play calls there, I think that's a good entry for calls for a quick like scalp. And the same with the 372 on QQQ. Although I think the better play for QQQ it's 370. But yeah, we want to see QQQ holding this double top. But it's difficult to say because the market has such a big gap here from yesterday, from pre-market. So this gap is it's huge, like from literally from 368 till 372. That's a huge gap that I don't know if the market's gonna feel it the rest of the week, if it's gonna hold this. Okay, I'm gonna get out of Palo Alto. That's a very small loss compared with my Nvidia and Meta trades. So right now I'm only holding PayPal on my main account and SQ on the small account. So yeah. Um and that's it. I don't really have a stop loss for PayPal or SQ because I have a lot of time, so I'm just gonna wait and hold my position there. I think if QQQ can hold 372 as support, that's a good breakout retest play there, but I'm not gonna play anything else. So yeah. So yeah, that's it. Remember to like the video. Like the video. What else? Yeah, that's it. So see you guys tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna make a end of the day recap video today, but yeah, because I'm kind of busy the rest of the day, but we'll see. Okay. So awesome day. Have a great rest of the day. Bye, guys.